In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add employees in QuickBooks Online. First, open Google Chrome and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Using Chrome helps ensure the best compatibility and reduces odd display issues. Once you're in, look for the left-hand menu and head to Payroll, then select Employees. This is the central hub where you'll manage your team, review their profiles, and keep everything organized for payroll. On the Employees page, find and click Add an Employee. This opens a clean form where you'll enter the person's basic information. Start with their legal name exactly as it appears on their tax documents. Add their home address so pay stubs and tax forms are aligned with the correct location and tax jurisdictions. You'll also be prompted for their social security number. Enter it carefully and double check it before moving on. Accuracy here is essential for tax reporting and year-end forms. Next, set up how and when this employee will be paid. Choose the pay schedule that matches your company's routine, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Keeping a consistent schedule helps with cash flow and employee expectations. Then enter the pay rate. If the employee is hourly, make sure the correct hourly rate is entered and confirm whether overtime rules apply in your region. If they're salaried, enter the annual or per pay period salary as requested. It's a good idea to have the compensation details handy to avoid back and forth later. Now move on to the tax information. QuickBooks will guide you through the fields it needs, such as filing status and any withholding details. Use the information from the employee's tax forms to keep everything compliant. If your business operates in multiple states, make sure the correct work location is specified because local tax rules can vary. Once you've reviewed all the details for accuracy, click Save to create the employee profile. Saving locks in the information so the employee appears on your payroll list and is available for your next pay run. If you notice anything off after saving, you can always return to the profile to make corrections. If you need to add more team members, simply repeat the same process for each additional employee. Taking a few extra seconds to verify names, addresses, and tax details during entry will save time and prevent payroll corrections later. That's it. You're now set up to manage employees in QuickBooks Online efficiently and accurately with everything organized for smooth payroll processing.